Hi guys. Okay. So we are here back for which average to use. Okay. So there's nothing much technically here for us to explain. I'll just go through the textbook, which makes us much more easier to do this. Okay. So which average to use? You see. Okay. Earlier we have learned mode, mean, mode, median, mean, and then we learn another one thing called range. Okay. So all of this actually is type of average. Okay. It's type of technique of average we being used here. So now they're going to explain to you which type of average we can use for which kind of situation. Okay. So like you see for mode, it's very easy to find out effective. I don't want to go through this. I'll just tell you directly. A mode is basically what we find the highest value. So one example we can use mode for is imagine you want to see the want to find the average, right? You have a lot of tall people standing. You have one crowd there, okay? You can't be going measuring each of them and then you go divide and to find the mean of average. What you can do, you just stand on a bench of chair, then you look lah, okay, which is the most on the certain height you can see. If you notice, like your classroom, okay, your classroom will have one tall fella, one short fella. So you can take mode for this, okay? It depends which situation we can use which way. Like for one glance, we can use mode, and then median you can use what, median you can use for a very like a very easy one. That means it's not large number of a large amount of number, a very short, let's say we have certain series of number, so you can just arrange, because you know how hard to find median, right? Median you need to rearrange it, and then you need to find, that means it's odd number, easy to find. Mean number means you need to plus divide by 2. So median you can use for a small scale, mode you can use for large scale, whereby mean is more accurate. Mean means you need to do a measurement, you have to go accurately find the what we call that, the people's data, and then you have to do certain calculation. So mean very technical. If you don't want technical, you can use mode or median lah, but of course depend, but most of the time we use mode. Okay. Maybe if you're wondering what type of question this can come, for an example, you see question number 7, they say Mr. Bremen told each student that their test mean mark and only give the test statistics or whole class. He gave the class the model mark, the median mark, the mean mark. Which average should tell the student whether they are in the top half or on the bottom half of the class. So that means they tell you, they told each student their test mark and only gave their statistics to the whole class. Okay. So that means they're asking you between mode, median, and mean, which one will tell the student whether they're in the top half or the bottom half. So which answer do you think this will be? Okay. If you ask me, I would rather say it, whether they're in the top half or bottom half, the best we can see is from median. Okay, because median, not to say, yeah, the top half or bottom half, yeah, we can say the median. Okay, because median will tell you exactly whether they're in the top or the bottom. Okay, that's one. Then which average tell the students? Nothing really, I would say the model. Okay, because model, maybe a lot of them can have, oh, no, let me correct you. Okay, that means a shouldn't be median, a should be the model. Okay, because when we know the model, that means oh, rough, a should be, yeah, model. So okay, let's say you have 10 students. Okay, from 10 students, 5 students score 60, then a lesson, so that means your mode will be 60. So when 60, let's say you get 70, oh, I'm on top. If you get 50, then I'm the bottom, something like that. Okay, which average test student rating? I think median, because median, the middle, so what? Okay, it doesn't make really any sense lah, but mean will make sense. Okay, which average test student gauge how well they have done compared with everyone else will be the mean. Okay, because mean will tell you the average. So if let's say your average is 40, then oh, on average I do quite good lah, on average I did quite bad. Okay, because now we are comparing with others, because mean we're going to calculate everything, so median is the wasted one, if you ask me. Okay, mode. So that's a type of question you will see lah in your exam. Okay, so I think nothing much we can talk about what type of average we can use. Of course, you have any question you can ask in the Zoom, I will disclose there in detail. So now I want to go for stem leaf. Okay, stem leaf is one very annoying one, but we have to do. Okay, maybe I will just pick one example and then I will do. Okay, I'll pick this example. So as for this example, okay, we have 45, 62, 58, 58, 61, 49, 61, 47, 52, 58, 48, 56, 65, 46, 54. Okay? We have few number and they ask you to put in stem leaf. Okay, so that means first you need to know what is stem leaf. Okay, stem leaf, what we do actually is that we will first draw one line here. Okay, what stem leaf actually means? Okay, you see here we got numbers ranging from 40s, we have number ranging from 50s, and we have a number range from 60s. So how we will arrange? We'll put 4 here, 5 here, and 6 here. Okay, so what happened now, I'm going to use different color to categorize different thing. So this is the 40s numbers. Okay, these are the 40s number. Did I circle everything? So I think 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5. Okay, so what will happen, all these 40s number, they are common of 40s, right? So I will extract the 40, I'll just put the number inside. So I have 5 6 7 8 9. This is how stem leaf diagram. Okay, one more. Let me use another color. Okay, now for the 50, let's look the 50. These are 50 numbers, the 50 numbers, and then I think that's it. Okay, so we have few. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 colors. Okay, so we have, and when you arrange here, you must arrange in ascending order, and if even they have same, you still need to write down, you cannot skip. Okay, so I have 2 here, I have 4 here, I have 6 here, and then I have 8 8 8. Okay, good. So this is 52 54, that's how you read it. Okay, now for the 60s remaining, so we have 61, we have 62, then we have sorry, we have another 61, I missed already. Yeah, there's actually a 261 here. Yep, here. Okay, that's 61. Okay, so this is 61 1 2 and 5. Okay, so done, we already get our stem leaf diagram. Okay, so this is how we do stem leaf diagram. Now if you notice, they ask you what is the model value. Model value means you need to look which one have the lot kind of value. So this lah your model value. Yeah, so I mean the most common one lah. Okay, you see one have 2 and then only 8 have 3, so your model number has to be, mode will be 58. And then next one asks you what is the median value. Okay, so to find a median value, this one no choice lah. You have to do what? You have to go and plus and divide. So how many number you have here in total? Okay, if you notice, you have 15 number, so 15 means it's an odd number, right? Easy for you. That means the 8th value has to be your mode. Okay, whereas here you have 15 now, so 7 7 the middle, so this one has to be your median. So you need to go and find which one is the 8th number. So how you find the 8th number? 45 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So your median will be 56. As simple as that. I know some of you will be confused, how actually we do it, sir, because this is 45, that's how you read. This is 46, this is 47, this is 48, this is 49. But we express in stem leaf diagram where we take out the 4 and we just put the number inside. So it's the same thing, like if you arrange this also, it's going to be the same thing. So you see, 45, this one is 52, 54, 56, 58, 58, 58. So like I said, there are total 15 number here. Remember how we find median, right? You need to arrange in ascending order. 15. So 15 means 7 years, 7 years, the middle has to be the median. So we go count the 8th number lah, because 7 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 56 the median. Then the last one, they ask you range of value. How do we find range of value, guys? Range of value is very easy. All you have to do is just find the largest value minus the smallest value. So largest value is 65, smallest value is 45. So 65 minus 45, you get 20. That's how stem leaf diagram works. Yeah. So pretty much that's it about stem leaf diagram. I think nothing much we can cover lah. You see, most of the time they give you ready. Okay, if they didn't give you, you need to do like this one. Like this one, you see you got 13, so you can open in terms of ones. Then you can open in terms of zeros, and then you can open in terms of 2 and 3. Then that's it. Okay. I mean, it's quite cheating for me to say that's it lah. Maybe I do for you. Okay. So question 6, I don't want to write down. You should be able to see lah. I'll put 0, because why? I got 9. Do I have any? I got 9, 8, and I got 9. Okay. So that means I have 8, 9 and 9. You know this or not? I got 9, 8 and 9. Done. Okay, next I want to write for ones. Okay, so let's see. We got 13, we got 19, we got 18. Oh, we got 7. Oh my god. So we have to put here lah. Okay, I think it's better I use pencil, to be honest, to tick it. Okay. Alright, just give me a second. Alright. So this is, oh my god. Oh yeah, another one thing, I'm glad that I discussed this. In stem leaf, you must not draw a line. No line, no line in between, only one line side. Okay, don't go and draw and make it into an Excel file or what. Okay, just put like this, enough. Okay, so this is 0. So for the 0, let me just circle first so I know what is going on. Okay, for 9 7 8, then 9, and then that's it. Okay, so I need to arrange this in 7 8 9 and 9. Okay, now for the 13, okay, I have 1 2 3, and then I have 4 5 6 and then I have 7, 8, and then 9. Okay, so we have starting from 0. So 0 done, and then we have we have 12 done. Do we have anything else to know? Okay, the next we have 13 in line with Earth. Okay, so 13 done. Okay, next we have 14. Okay, we have 14 here, and then we have, I think, 15. 15 we have here. Okay, we have 15 here, and then what else we have? We have 15, and then we have 18 and 2 19s. Okay, 18, 9, and 9. Okay, see here. Okay, so that's pretty much. So we're done ready. Now we go to 2. So for 2, what we have 0, 4, 3, 8. Okay, so 0, I saw 2, 4. If you're wondering where's another 4, here and here and here, done. And then we have 3 here. Okay, and what we have is 6 and 8. Okay, so 6 and 8. Then we have only 1, 3, if I'm 31. Okay, so that's how you express lah in stem leaf diagram. Then you just have to answer. Okay, what's the median number? You count how many number here, and then you can find. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 means odd number lah, a bit headache. Okay, so odd number means you have to look for the 10th and 11th value. Okay, so 10th and 11th value. Yeah, you can't see that. My bad. 10th and 11th value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and 11. So 18 plus 19 divided by 2. So 18.5 is your median. Then for the range is quite easy. Highest minus lowest, 31 minus 7. Then you get the answer. See, that's how you do this kind of stem leaf diagram. It's quite straightforward. Okay, so as I constant lam, it's quite straightforward. Okay, so moving forward, I'll just go as fast as I can. Now we'll cover using frequency table. So there's few things you can find from a frequency table. Okay, maybe I'll just pick this example for you. Okay, so what is frequency table? By now you should know already what is frequency table. Okay, so I'll just draw this table for you. Okay, so I have 1, 45, 2, 198, I have 3, 121, and then I have 4, 76, and then I have 5, 52, 6, and 13. Okay, actually statistics is a topic that I hate a lot. Okay, too many unnecessary things we need to do lah. Okay, so from this is what we call frequency table, and they want you to find few things. They want you to find a mode, they want you to find a median, and then they'll find you the mean. Actually, the mode and the median is not a hard part, but the hardest part will always be your mean. Okay, so how do you find mode? Mode is the highest frequency lah. What's the highest frequency here? Okay, 198. So this has to be your mode. Question A done. Question B, they ask you to find a median. So to find a median, you need to find a running total. Remember I taught you last time. Okay, that's a thing that I taught you. The running total. You see here? How do you find a running total? You take and keep adding up concurrently. So you're just going to repeat back that damn thing. I mean that thing here. Okay. So just repeat back. You need to find a running total here. So I'll do another. I use another one way to find a running total. Okay. Sad that they didn't find the running total, so I have to find manually. So first is 45, then 45 plus 198, 243 plus 121, 364 plus 76, 440 plus 52, 492 plus 13. So 505. Okay, this is your running total. You need to write that. Okay, I don't want to write because I'm teaching. So running total. So you got a running total here. So what's the total number there? 505. You want to find what? Median. Median means you need to divide by 2 lah. I don't know. Okay, because it's how we say 545. 545 is odd number or even number. 545 is a odd number. Odd number means easy. We need to know what the next number we are talking about. Okay, so that means what we can do. The next number has to be with 505 divided by 2, you get 252. Oh, that means we are looking at the 253rd number. Okay, because you need to know left and right. Okay, whereas total is 505 ma. You see 505. Okay, so divided by 2, you get 252. So obviously 253 has to be the median lah. Okay, you can't round off. Okay, because 252, you can do few logic calculation there. Okay, so for me is 253 is the median, like that's how we identify it. Okay, so 253 has to be the median, or you can do another way. You see, 252 plus 252, 252, wait, 252 plus 252 give you 504. That means the another one is the odd number that will give you the median. See, this is one way you can check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, so 253 we already know is the median, so 253 should be lie up to here. Up to here only 45, up to here 243. So what we found is 253. So 253 has to come after this, which is here. Okay, so that means your median is 3. That's how we identify. Okay, I repeat again. Up to here is 45, up to here is 243. So 253 has to come right after this, because this is the maximum limit for this class. For this class, the maximum limit is 243. So 253 should come here, and that's the lower limit. So that's your median 3. And then now I'm going to go to the headache part where we need to calculate the mean. To calculate the mean, you have a total different way to do it. Okay, so I'm just going to write it in another way. You can do in that way also, no problem. Okay, so to find the mean, you have to do one very tedious step in a frequency table. What? Potato? 13 is here. Okay, so done lah. So what you need to do, you need to take this times the class. Okay, that's the only way. Okay, no means you cannot find for the median. So first you need to do, take the frequency times the class. Okay, like here the class, this is what we call the class of the event. Okay, so 45 times 1 gives you 45. Then 198 times 2, 198 times 2 give you 396. 121 times 3 gives you 366. Running out of ink, sorry, my bad. Next, 76 times 4 give me 304. And then 52 times 5 give me 260. Last one, 13 times 6 give me 78. So now that you got this, you add all of this, it will give you 1446. Okay, once you get this 1446, what do you do next? Okay, so you just have to take this divide by the total number of frequency we calculated earlier already, which is 505. Yeah, then you'll get directly. Okay, so what we covered actually from this frequency in this chapter using frequency table, we learned how to calculate mode, median, mode, median and mean. Okay, so for mode, I tell you just see for the highest frequency. For mean, you need to use the same method. Okay, take the, find the running what we call that, running totals first, then you divide, then you will know lah. Okay, it's an odd number you find. If even number, you have to plus to divide. And then for the mean, you have to make sure you times with the class. Okay, times the class, you get the total, divide with the total frequency. That's the basic thing you will see here. Okay, you won't see anything more than that. There will be few exercise from here being extracted and put in your worksheet later, so you can do that. Okay, so please return to the Zoom if you should have any question. If you have no question, then we will go through with the next. Just go to the Zoom and then we see what we do there. Okay.